Hey, it's Jay again with Simple City Trading. Thank you for watching the video. I'm going to cover a trade in the Dow Mini and the Russell Mini that was this morning, October 10th, 2019. So we'll get right into those setups. If you are watching this for the first time, please do check out this video first. It just says it's a very simple mechanical trading strategy, and I go over how the technique sets up and what it looks like, and I go into that in detail, and it'll make a lot more sense when you're watching this video. So let's start with the Dow Mini. So this is my high time frame chart, and what I was looking for is a couple higher time frames were setting up, with a look of being bullish, and so I was focused on that possibility, and I waited until I saw this setup right here. So I had a blue, and that tells me that I potentially want to be a buyer, and then I want to make sure that my prices are above my white line. If those conditions are met, I want to start looking. And so in time, this is where I begin to look. So going to the low time frame chart here, this is the green line is in time where that's set up. And so what I like about this technique is all I'm doing at this point is I'm waiting for a buying opportunity, and mechanically, how is that going to show up? What is it going to look like? And my whole thing with mechanical was just to minimize the inputs that I had to deal with when it came to decision making, because especially if I felt confused, or I would notice I would hesitate and second guess and things like that. So mechanically it helped me a lot in my trading, to do it this way. So that being said, this is what the chart looked like when it was setting up, and if you watched those videos, you know what I'm looking for. I want to see this white line come down into what I call just the black box, and once that happens, I have one more condition to be met. So again, I know I want to buy. I'm in my lower black box. Now all I'm doing is waiting for a blue bar right here. So I have to wait for this one to close, and then this point in time right here, I would want to be entering, and usually I want to get it right around the open of that bar, and that will be my entry. And I like to use a scaling strategy, so at least 2 contracts. I usually cover the first one around about 20. Depending on how I feel, I might get out earlier, but usually I'm trying to get about 20 ticks on that, and then I'm waiting for a runner. So on this trade, I'll show you how it was executed on the chart. But this one just blasted off. From entry to, so entry was here. So just to this point, I was looking at this. So this was 18 minutes into this trade, had already run about 105 ticks. So it happened really quick. I didn't catch all that, caught a lot of it. But here's what that looked like on a entry chart. So here was the entry, and target one was there about 20, and then I had a fixed up here at 75, and then I didn't trail this. I should have, but didn't, and it just moved so fast that it hit the target really quick. So that was the Dow Mini. And then let's look at the Russell. Was pretty much the same in time. It's set up exactly the same way. which was right here, and we had a close above here, close above here, and then the confirmation came in on this bar right there. And on the low time frame, it looked like this. So anything to the right of the green line, I want to be a buyer if I can get my white line down here. So I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that. So here's my dip into the black box, and then I have my blue color change, and right there would be my entry on the open of that bar. So this was pretty much the same setup as the Dow Mini, and it looked pretty much the same. Let's see here. So the entry was right here. Wrong tool. Right here. So this one ran pretty quick, about 105 ticks on that one as well. And that looked like this. So entry, target 1, target 2. And that was 75 ticks as well. So in any event, that's what it looked like. Again, thank you for watching the video. I will, keep showing these, but if you do just watch that first video, it pretty much explains everything, and then these videos are just to kind of reinforce, what that looks like, and I'm really just trying to emphasize the simplicity. That's assuming it looks simple to somebody else. But in any event, thank you for watching the video. I appreciate it. Have a great day.